Hey Robotics, thanks for finding me on this video and thanks for taking a look at the Google Doc I sent you guys. I hope that everything finds you well and that you're taking good care of yourselves. I definitely miss having you guys in my classroom, but I know that we're strong, resilient people. We'll get through this tough time together. I wanted to share with you guys today, though, my plan for robotics, no matter how long we are out, so that you have an idea of what's coming. Because we have the robotic kits still hanging out in my shop and you guys don't have them at home, I thought the next best thing for me to teach you guys, instead of doing like writing assignments or worksheets or things, was to have you guys work with this program that one of my colleagues recommended to me called TinkerCAD. And CAD is basically like drawing different shapes and symbols, but TinkerCAD is pretty cool because you can work up and eventually program those shapes to do different things on the screen. So I kind of set up a learning module here that'll take us through however long we are on distance learning for, whether that be a week or whether that be longer. Okay, so we can kind of follow along at a self-guided pace. So here's how it's going to work. Okay, I have broken up everything into basic steps, and each week you will have different activities due for me, whether it be a starter, a lesson, a project, or a code block. And those are the four key main assignments that we're going to get. And I'll talk about those in the next video. But the first thing that we want to do, and this is going to be due pretty quick here, is setting up your own account. And the reason why I'm having you set up an account this way is so that when you turn things in, I can grade it because I'll have access to looking at everything you've done in your account, and you won't have to share things with me. It'll all, hopefully, fingers crossed, pop up in my account, and I'll be able to have access to everything and just give you a grade there. Okay, so obviously you're already watching this video, but I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and get logged into the system. Now here's how it works, okay? I went in and I entered everybody in the class's names and a nickname for all of you guys. Your nickname is essentially going to be your first name and your last name combined, all lowercase. So for example, if my name is Bob Larson, my login or nickname is going to be Bob Larson, all lowercase, okay? So I'm going to open up another window just so I don't have to log out of my teacher account. Okay, notice I copied and pasted or clicked on this link right here. You need to click on this link in order to access the login page, okay? So then I'm gonna type my nickname. So for my purposes, I did Joe Ramstead because I made an account for myself and hit that's me, okay? And that will bring you to your login page, okay? So every time you log in, this is what you're gonna see. This is called your dashboard. So I kind of referred to the dashboard throughout the assignment several times, but if you ever wanna get back to your dashboard, you'll click this little 9 square over here that says TinkerCAD, okay? That's your dashboard. Okay, so in this video, essentially, we accomplished creating our own account. I want you now to take a look at the rest of the assignment to see what's coming. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and take a look at my next video, which details the expectations I have for your different assignments, okay? Thanks again for tuning in. Remember to stay healthy, stay strong. We got this, guys. Keep it up.